Hello guys, welcome back to Materialize CSS. In this series we'll be talking about the environment setup. We discuss on the different aspects of setting up our congenial environment on Materialize. So how do we set up our Materialize? We can set up our Materialize through two ways. Either we use the local installation or we use the CDN based version. The CDN stands for Content Delivery Network, but for the purpose of this training or this tutorial, we'll be using the local installation. So let's get down to our code. Now you see, this is my editor, Sublime Text Editor, and this is my browser. So I have to navigate on Materialize website for me to be able to access this setup. So let's get started. Let's get down to Materialize, and first of all have to set up our HTML page. HTML. I've not saved it. Let's save it so that we'll be able to access our HTML page. Materialize. Let's get down to Materialize for us to store and download our page. Still loading, and let me save this one. I created an empty folder in my desktop which I named Materialize. So we'll be saving every work that we'll be doing henceforth in that folder. So we'll navigate to the folder and save it on the folder. Why is my system so slow? I don't know. I think so this is the folder. Just have to select the folder. You see the folder is empty, so let me save it. See, index.html. So I have to change this one to HTML. So I save. Now let me put my HTML code. So we have that. So say Materialize setup. This is our first page on how to set it up. As you can see in this place, my browser is open. I have to go to documentation. So I click on documentation. It took me to the Materialize website. So I have to click on get started for me to be able to download it. So I click on my get started. Let's scroll down. Say Materialize or the source. So this is the standard version that comes with both the minify and unminify CSS. So we have to download this. So this is how it looks like, but this is not what we want. So we're going to download the CDN. So it's downloading. As you can see it in this place. So I have to click say show the folder that it's been downloaded into, so that I will be able to import it into my code. So that is how to do that. So I just have to copy it from this place. Let me extract it to my folder that I created in my desktop, because it's in zip file. So I just want to extract it. Extract file. So it will now take me to where I wish to extract a file to. So I click on my desktop. So where is the folder I created in my desktop? See, Materialize. So by so doing, I will be able to access it. After extraction, I will be able to access it. I think that is simple as ABCD. If after extraction, it will just show on my code here. Let me go to the folder. Let's see. You see, this is the folder. I will have the CSS and we have the JS. So let's go back to our code. Why is it not showing in this place? Oh, why is it not showing in this place? So let's go back, open folder, Materialize. So let's close the initial one. So we have it here in this place. So I just have to import it to our page. Let me save this one. So HTML, say Materialize, setup. Good. So I save it. So in my head, I have to import the Materialize, the CSS part to my head. So that is where you import your CSS. As you can see, it's inside. Let me increase this one a little. As you can see, it's inside folder known as CSS, and I put hash before the Materialize. So as you can see, it's of two files inside the CSS. So I link the other one, CSS / Materialize. Materialize.me.css. So that is for that. I have to go before the ending tag of my listing and put my script. So I don't need this. What I need is the source. So I have JS / inside the JS, I still have Materialize.js. So I have to import the second one also, script. So I don't need this. What I need is the source. I have another one, Materialize. Materialize.main.js. This one is small mo. Likewise this, and likewise this as well. So this is how to import and set up our page for use, and from our next series we will be starting up fully. So stay tuned, please subscribe, and before you learn this, just as I said in the introduction, make sure you have the ideas of your HTML and CSS so that it will be easy for us. Thank you, and see you in the next tutorial.